Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Bgmi immediately. Open the game and go to Settings Basic. Once done, tap Account to view current bind options. You want to choose Facebook later. Meanwhile, make sure your iPhone is signed into the Apple ID you intend to use and that the Facebook app is installed and already logged in, because Bgmi will call those credentials. Doing this avoids account conflicts. It also ensures the game sees both Apple ID and Facebook sessions when you initiate the link. Now proceed to the binding step. In Account Bind, select Facebook. When Bgmi prompts, allow it to switch to the Facebook app or web view and grant permissions. This authorizes the linkage. Once Facebook confirms, return to Bgmi to see a pending or completed bind status. Make sure the Facebook profile displayed is the one you expect, because linking the wrong profile can transfer progress. If it asks about overriding data, read prompts carefully and back up via Apple ID or guest link first. Finish by confirming the bind status in Account Bind. You should see Facebook listed as connected. If the link fails or shows a conflict, sign out of Facebook, clear Bgmi cache, or unlink other bindings, then retry. If problems persist, note your in-game UID and contact Bgmi support. Include platform, iOS, Apple ID email, do not share password, and a screenshot. Finally, restart Bgmi so the server registers the change, and verify your inventory and rank are in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.